Fat Boy ice cream. It does exist. This is Supreme Premium Chocolate Brownie Batter. That is really soft. Really creamy. It's not like too chocolatey, too creamy. Okay, so here's the brownie bits, and it's just like melts. I guess you can compare it to Great Value, but this one is softer. I mean, you can feel that it's probably fatty, but at the same time, it doesn't feel bad. It's like really good. I like this. I didn't know that this was a thing. Let's see. 240 calories per serving. There's apparently 5.6 servings in this thing. I call bunk on that. Probably eat this in like 20 minutes. It's very airy. Like my spoon is going right through that. This is like, okay, you know when you go to the store, or not the store, like Dairy Queen and stuff like that, and they give you that soft served? This feels and tastes like that soft served. This feels like soft served ice cream. This is hard served because it's the types that we get frozen in the bins. So it feels like soft served in a hard served thing. I'm kind of amazed. I did not think I'd like Fat Boy this much. I like Fat Boys. I'm going to try more of them. There is more of them out there. Catch you guys later.